NetApp Active IQ Config Advisor runs ONTAP CLI commands in the background and then presents the output in charts and graphs that make the data easier to understand. The tool also provides solutions for frequently diagnosed issues. During an installation, Config Advisor gives both you and the customer confidence that the storage systems were cabled and configured correctly. During maintenance, the tool informs you of any pre-existing issues before you start work. The tool also provides verification that the issues were resolved after you complete the maintenance. Config Advisor is a configuration validation and health check tool for NetApp systems. You can deploy the tool at secure or non-secure sites for data collection and analysis. Config Advisor can be used to check a NetApp system or FlexPod solution for the correctness of hardware installation and conformance to NetApp recommended settings. Config Advisor collects data and runs a series of commands on the hardware. The tool then checks for issues with cabling, configuration, availability, and best practices. Download Config Advisor from the NetApp support site and run it on a laptop that is connected to the Serial Console port or over the network. Reseller partners can download Config Advisor from the Field portal. You can download a copy of the most recent Config Advisor installation and administration guide to use when setting up and running the tool. On a new installation, after you configure the systems, you can use the IP address that you assign to the cluster management LIF to configure Config Advisor to run. To start, in the hostname fields, enter the hostname of a node or the IP address of the cluster management LIF. You might not be connected to the domain yet, so the hostname might fail, but the IP address should work. Select the type of switches that you installed and add those IP addresses too. Config Advisor typically spends only minutes collecting data, but the length of time depends on the size of the cluster. The View and Analyze tab shows the results of the data collection. The first panel enables you to see details about error messages based on severity. The next panel shows an inventory of all queried devices. The Visualization panel provides a visual depiction of how the systems are cabled. The Storage Utilization panel displays total available storage and utilization. Config Advisor enables you to save your sessions to rerun later. You can also schedule saved jobs to run on regularly. Encourage customers with large environments to include scheduled runs of Config Advisor in their maintenance process. Running Config Advisor takes only a few minutes but can save you hours of frustration by finding issues with a storage system and offering solutions. The reports also provide evidence that the system has no issues after you complete maintenance. Run Config Advisor before and after performing any work on an ONTAP-based storage system.